You're not weak, you're sleep deprived. Now, exercise daily, but half your muscles aren't active. Some people never change. See a radiant human body. Observe a neon scan indicating active muscle fibers. Many don't learn how to send signals properly. That error silently stalls progress. When lifting weights, muscles don't work. Your nervous system must activate them. Your brain decides the strength you can use. No signal means no growth. This is neural muscle activation, and almost no one talks about it. Athletes use it, and physical therapists master it. Beginners plateau fast, while athletes keep evolving. Look at the neon arm flexing slowly. See how the biceps light up before the movement starts. That's intentional activation. That's control. Most people rush reps. Fast reps kill neural control. Slow reps teach the brain precision. Precision builds shape. Your muscles grow from tension, not motion. If the wrong muscles take over, growth goes elsewhere. That's how people get injuries instead of results. Your body adapts to what you ask it to do. Now let's talk about fat loss. Fat doesn't burn from sweat. It burns when muscles demand energy efficiently. Activation increases demand. Activated muscles consume more calories at rest. That's called metabolic efficiency. It's why some people stay lean effortlessly. Their muscles are always online. Look at the neon core lighting up. Abs aren't made in the kitchen alone. They reveal through proper muscle firing. Weak activation hides definition. This is why crunches fail most people. They move the spine instead of engaging the core. Movement without intention equals wasted reps. Your abs never wake up. Now imagine training where every rep sends a clear signal. Muscle to growth. Growth to transformation. This is how home workouts become powerful. No machines needed. Just control, awareness, and timing. Your body becomes the equipment, and you become the ultimate worker.